Hello everyone, this is day 2 conversions. Okay, today is going to elaborate a little more on what we did yesterday and work on some proportions. Okay, so the first one, a student ran the 50-yard dash in 5.8 seconds. At what speed did a student run in miles per hour? Round your answers to the nearest tenth. So in this problem, you can see that we have a 50-yard dash that we need to change to miles. Okay, then we have seconds that we need to change to hours. Okay. So it's going to start off the same. We're going to go ahead and put what you know in a fraction. So 50-yard dash in 5.8 seconds. Okay. Now we need to change yards to miles and seconds to hours. I do them one at a time. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at changing yards. So I want the yards to cancel. So I know I want yards in my denominator. There is 1,760 yards in 1 mile. And I got that off the conversion chart, which you will have. So the yards cancel. Okay. Now I got miles, which is where I want. You can go ahead and figure out what you have now. So that would be 50 miles. Okay. And then 5.8 times 1,760 is 10,208. Oops, 208, sorry. Okay, and we still have seconds here. Okay, yards are gone, but we still have seconds, so we need to make sure we bring over our seconds. Okay, so now I'm halfway through with the problem. I've converted my yards to miles, but now I need my seconds to hours. So now I need seconds to go away. So I'm going to go ahead and put seconds in the numerator so those cancel. Okay, and you need to know how many seconds are in an hour. And I know how many seconds are in a minute, but offhand I don't know how many seconds are in an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and just go from seconds to minutes. So I know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay. All right, I'm almost there. I'm going to go ahead and multiply across. So 50 times 60 is 3,000. There, miles are left there, over 10,208 minutes. Okay. Now I need to get rid of my minutes. So my minutes are going to go in the numerator, so they cancel, and my hours is going to go in the denominator. So there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay. So I need to take 3,000 times 60, and that is 180,000. Okay, and what's left in the numerators are miles. And then my denominator is 10,208 hours. And go ahead and divide this out. Decimals are okay. It actually says to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to go ahead and divide this out. And I get 17.6 miles per hour. And that's my answer. So that's 2 conversions in 1. Okay, which we sort of separated into 2 problems. We got rid of the yards first, and then we got rid of the seconds. All right, next problem. We do this a lot in exchange rates. The table below shows some exchange rates on a particular day. If a sweater sells for $39.95 in the U.S., what price should it be in rupees and in pounds? So we're going to go, first of all, we got $39.95. So the dollar sign is my unit. Okay, and I want to change it. The first time I want to change it to rupees. Okay, so we know that for every dollar we have 39.75 rupees. Okay, now where is the dollar going to go? Okay, I want the dollars to cancel. So if it's in my numerator here, it's got to be in my denominator. So I'm going to put $1 here, and then 39.57, I'm going to use R for rupees. Okay, my dollars cancel, and I'm left with oops, 1,580 rupees. Okay. All right, now let's go to pounds. We're going to start the same. So I have $39.95 for one sweater. Okay, and we're going to do pounds now. Okay, so we know that for every $1 is half a pound. So my dollars are going to go in the denominator. So for $1 gives me half a pound. Okay, go ahead and multiply. Okay, dollars cancel, and I'm left with 19.975 pounds. Okay. Next one, Karen rides her bike at 11 miles per hour. How many feet per second can she ride? Okay, so this is like the first one. We got miles per hour, so she's riding 11 miles per hour, and we want to go to feet per second. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's get rid of our miles first. Okay. There's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. My miles cancel, and I'm left with 58,080 feet per hour. Okay. Now I want to convert that hour into seconds. Alright, so when you want to get rid of it, remember, it's going to go opposite. Right now, hours in the denominator, so I want hours in my numerator. Okay. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, and then I don't have seconds yet, so I need to get rid of my minutes. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. So I'm going to multiply straight across. So in my numerator, I'm left with 58,080 feet over 3,600 seconds. Then I'm going to divide that to get 16.1 feet per second. So 16 feet a second about. Okay. Next one, this is a proportion one. This is where you're going to compare two candy bars. So king size Snickers has 440 calories and weighs 4 ounces. How many calories would a Snickers weighing 0.75 ounces have? So you take the information from one of the Snickers. Okay, so we know that one Snickers is 440 calories and it weighs 4 ounces. Okay, we want to know how many calories 0.75 ounce Snickers would have. Okay, so this is a proportion. You're comparing two different things. All right, so we're going to cross multiply. We get 330. Okay, and then 4 times x is 4x. Divide by 4, and x equals 82.5. So a Snickers that was 0.75 ounces has 82.5 calories.